Ralph Man's Outdoors. We're going to do a quick cook on the Blackstone. We've got it fired up and ready. It's getting hot, and we are going to have not homemade, but homegrown carrots from our garden. We've got some trigger fish we brought back from Gulf Shores, Alabama, and some asparagus we grew on in our garden. So we're about to put that on the Blackstone and have a good meal. We're gonna go down with just a little bit of oil. Everybody says that, but we're gonna go ahead and spread it out. And we're gonna get cooking. Don't burn yourself. We're going down with our carrots first, because they will take the longest to cook. So we're going to go ahead and spread those out. Let them tenderize. Boy, these things are some good carrots. They came right out of our garden. You don't even have to peel these things. You can eat them as is. But we're going to get them cooked up a little bit on the Blackstone. And I'm going to hit them with a little salt, pepper, and garlic. We've got Kinder's salt, pepper, and garlic. And we're just going to do a little sprinkle here. We'll also add that to the asparagus. We've got the carrots about cooked up. I'm just going to steam them just a little bit. Hear that sizzle. I could dome them, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and we steamed them a little bit. I'm going to move them over here to the side. I want them to be still a little crisp, but I don't want them overcooked. So we're going to move those over here. We're going to get ready to add the fish. We're going to add the trigger fish, and we actually have 3 of them. We thought we had packaged them a little bit better, but we've got 3, so we'll have leftovers, but that's all right. We're going to let these cook just a minute. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a little Cajun seasoning. This is Blackstone's Cajun seasoning. We're going to hit it on this side, and then when we flip it, we'll hit it on the other side. Sorry about that. Trying to clear my throat. We're going to have these cooking, and I'm going to go ahead and add a little oil over here, and we'll get the asparagus down. Fish and asparagus won't take long, so let's get cooking. We've got the asparagus we pulled out of the garden. We've been keeping it in a glass of water, and we're just going to spread it out. That's some good looking eats right there. Kind of get a little surface place on everything. We've got it down on low. We're going to let that go for just a little bit. Add just a little bit of oil. And I'm going to hit it with some salt, pepper, and garlic. Not a lot, but we're going to have it cooking. I'm going to go ahead and flip the fish. Trigger fish is looking good. Oh yeah, hear that sizzle. We're going to go ahead and hit the other side with a little Cajun seasoning. That's way more fish than Susan and I can eat tonight. Wind's blowing a little bit, but that's all right. We'll have leftovers for tomorrow. Maybe a little fish tacos. The carrots, the fish are about done. Asparagus, you can eat it raw, but I like it a little cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and steam it just a little bit, and then we'll get this plated. Now that's what I'm talking about. That looks pretty good. Now let's go give it a try. Well, we blessed the food. Let's give it a try. Carrots are good. Try a little asparagus. Or a lot of asparagus.
Fish is delish.
That's good. Susan just said fish is delish, so we're going to try it too. Oh, that's good. Trigger fish from Gulf Shores, Alabama. We brought it home last summer, and we're going to enjoy it. If you found anything helpful, you liked it, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and you'll know when we send out other videos. Till next time, God bless.